The British Army is set to receive up to 8 Archer 155mm artillery systems from Sweden to plug the gap caused by donating its AS-90 guns to Ukraine. The BAE Systems Bofors self-propelled guns will be drawn from the Swedish Army's stock of 48 Archers based on the Volvo 6x6 all-terrain chassis, Shepherd Media revealed, citing sources. The government-to-government procurement announcement will soon be issued. Stockholm recently contracted BAE for 24 Archers based on the Rheinmetall MAN military vehicle's HX Series 8x8 platform with a protected cab. According to the outlet, the UK will buy modular charge systems for the artillery's automatic ammunition handling system. The AS-90 uses bag charges. The Archer FH-77 can strike targets up to 60 kilometers, 37.3 miles, away, more than twice the AS-90's 25 kilometers, 15.5 miles. The development comes on the heels of UK Ministry of Defence Lieutenant General Robert Andrew McGowan revealing last month that the AS-90's interim replacement would be provided within 12 months. London has delivered 24 of its 80 to 90 remaining AS-90s to Ukraine, while the Vickers shipbuilding platform's long-term replacement, the Mobile Fires Platform (MFP) program, is being finalized. The program's front-runners are the Archer, Hanwha Defence's K9 self-propelled tracked artillery system, Krauss-Maffei Wegmann's RCH-155 howitzer, and the Rheinmetall wheeled self-propelled howitzer. The MFP is part of a broader artillery modernization effort, including upgrading and nearly doubling the M270 multiple launch rocket systems fleet of 40.